make this quick. We don't have time left. As you can see here, I'm sorry what I did to you. It's been confirmed that I was wrong the whole time. To make this quick, it was here the whole time. They weren't lying. They weren't. It's been right. You didn't lie. I was not trusting you the whole time ever since it happened. They officially announced it, and we have to get going. I'm sorry for not trusting you. I've been knowing that a lot of wars but always doing the same thing over and over. This time, it's serious. We're gonna have to be going soon. And yeah, we're gonna have to do some multi-survival. And there should be no way out to go. Because there's no way out. Every exit has been blocked. Everything has been blocked. There's no way out. No shortcuts. Nothing. I'll be staying behind in Oakland. Right here. I have nowhere to go. I can't leave anymore. I'm gonna stay behind. But you guys can go after me. I'm gonna stay behind. You guys have to leave me there. This is my final message to you. I love you all, and I will miss you all so much. Stay safe with your mother, kids, and listen to her immediately. I'm gonna have to stay behind, even though this is war. I heard they're doing it at the North American side, and right now, we are currently on the North American side. We're gonna have to do it. For this, I'm gonna have to do it fast and advance. I cannot stay here, but still, can't go about fighting me. Go, yeah, still can. I'll find this. And this woman, and I will be there. Or it is a small chance to get away. I'll be there.
Did he just say he was too farty?
Well, golly o'Malley! If it's not a bother, can you hooligans pay attention to me being too farty up here?
Maybe we should move on to the next math problem, Mr. McNamara.
Don't tell me how to do my job, you babby. How old are you? 14? I'm 30. 13. 30. 13. 30. 13. 40.
We, actually...
This is not a drill. To repeat, this is not a drill. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency at approximately 11:28 p.m. Missiles launched by an unknown foreign entity were located by the federal government Missile Defense Agency, moving towards North America. The Missile Defense Agency has detected that these missiles may contain nuclear warheads. These missiles are expected to strike North America and may result in widespread destruction and fatalities across your area. It is currently unknown exactly which areas will be impacted by this foreign attack. Take action now to protect your life. Immediately retrieve your emergency survival items. The items you should bring with you include an emergency medical kit, 2 weeks of non-perishable food, 2 weeks of water for each person, sensitive documents, batteries, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio. After retrieving emergency supplies, move at once to the nearest fallout shelter. If a shelter is not available, move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. Stay tuned to any radio or television channel to receive the latest updates on this civil defense threat.
To fortify the unfortunate fortress. He does this for 40 days and 40 nights. That's it! I've taught it over 40...
This is not a drill. To repeat, this is not a drill. The following message is an important update from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is a nuclear attack warning. To repeat, this is a nuclear attack warning. The Federal Missile Defense Agency has detected multiple missiles launched towards North America. These missiles are confirmed to contain nuclear warheads. Nuclear missiles are currently moving towards the state of Obliterated. If you are in or near these areas, you are expected to see destructive and fatal impacts from nuclear detonation and nuclear fallout. Nuclear detonation is expecting to occur in your area within the next 10 to 15 minutes with dangerous nuclear fallout beginning in 15 to 20 minutes. Do not attempt to evacuate. Do not attempt to travel or go outside unless moving to a local fallout shelter. Avoid using phone lines unless absolutely necessary. Take action now to protect your life. Immediately retrieve your emergency survival items. The items you should with include an emergency medical kit, 2 weeks of non-perishable food, 2 weeks of water for each person, sensitive documents, batteries, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio. After retrieving emergency supplies, move at once to the nearest fallout shelter. If a shelter is not available, move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. Stay tuned to any radio or television channel to receive the latest updates. This is not a drill. To repeat, this is not a drill. The following message is an important update from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. You do not have time left. The Federal Government Missile Defense Agency detected that these missiles are expected to hit right now in 5 minutes. If you are not in your shelter, or a fallout shelter, make sure to hurry up as you don't have time left. Do not evacuate, do not travel unless you are moving to a fallout shelter. But now it's too late as if you are currently far away from a fallout shelter. Evacuation? No, it's all too late. You will now see the destruction of the North America side. Stay tuned after the strike.